Hey guys, this is Miss Cuban. Today we're going to talk about add or subtract fractions and decimals. If you remember right when I was teaching you how to compare and order fractions and decimal, I told you to convert all the fractions to decimals and line them up. So when I taught you this, I said to convert fractions to decimals and then line them up in order. Okay, well the steps are they're very similar. Step one is going to be the same. So when you have fractions and decimals in the same problem and you're supposed to add or subtract, I want you to first convert all fractions into decimals, and then I want you to add or subtract the decimals. Okay, it's very similar. There we go. Okay, so for instance, I have a problem and it says 1/4 plus 3/5 plus 27/100 plus 2/10. My step one is to convert the fractions into decimals. So I have 1/4 and I'm going to convert it as a decimal by using equivalent fractions with the denominator 100. I know that 4 times 25 is 100. 1 times 25 is 25. So my decimal is going to be 25/100. This is also a fraction that you should know in your head. Number 2, but I'm still doing the same step. I just wanted a second fraction. 3/5, and I'm set equal to a denominator of, I can do 10 because it goes into 10. 5 times 2 is 10. 3 times 2 is 6. So it's 6/10. Okay, so now all I have to do, my second step, is just to draw my place value chart, line up the decimals, and I can add. So now I'm going to draw my place value chart, and I'm going to have my ones, my decimal, my tenths, my hundredths, and so now I have 0 and 25/100. That was equal to 1/4. 3/5 was equal to 0 and 6/10. I have 0 and 27/100, and I have 0 and 2/10. I add a 0 for my placeholders, and now I can add. Okay, and so in this case, I have 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2, carry my 1. And I have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. Carry my 1. Miss Cuba forgot to bring her decimal down, which you should have caught that already. And if you did, great job, because I always tell you to prove me wrong. So now, I keep adding 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 1. Oh, I wanted that red. Oh well. So my answer to this problem is 1 and 32/100. Now, I can make my answer as a fraction if I would like, or I can keep it as a decimal. I hope this helps you with this problem, and anytime you come across any addition or subtraction problems at fractions and decimals, please use these steps. It's very similar to when I taught you how to compare and order. Have a great day.